How do you call that thing? Air conditioner.
Well, started smelling something, seeing a little smoke, and turns out the van's broke down.
No comment.
So, see what's going on. So we made it down to the auto parts store and got a belt and I had to return that. And then now we're just gonna cut some plate off, and I guess it's gonna make it so the AC doesn't spin or something. So, should be fun.
2019. A year later, here we are and we're back.
Famous.
That's my big old head from last year. My big old head. Mom's wearing my whole head this year.
Finally made it. What time is it? 1:05. Just made it. A little bit late. You ready, Mike?
I'm ready.
You ready, Bob?
Yeah.
So here we are. It's Blue Knob Ski Resort. Nice and snowy, and up here doing the mountain bike challenge. Riding our mountain bikes down the ski slope. We got my buddy Bob behind me. Kyle and Mike are up there, a couple rows, and we're sending it, babe. LDM mountain biking, take 20. Send her, bud.
Races, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
On your marks, get set, go!
Woo!
Nice run.
Hell yeah, dude.
Nice.
Blue knob, blue slob. Shh. It's the lift off. Here we are at the chili cheese fries. LDN over there taking more video. Got that pizza. It's a good. Bang. There's a guy. There's a guy.
He's gonna force you.
Dude, I broke my cable. Oh my god. Forgot about that. 3, 2, 1, go! I go crazy. Yeah, I got caught now. Yeah.
5 bucks a hit. I doubt that.
On your marks, get set, go!
I beat you, son. Well, depends on when we're racing
Got me on
to.
those first couple turns, dude. Then on that straightaway, I just managed to.
I knuckled a couple of them.
Dude, I thought you jumped for when you were about to hit that.
The first one, they rutted up the first one, dude. Yeah. Not bad.
So we didn't get very many photos on the way home, but I did want to mention that on the way home, pulled over to AutoZone and took the drive shaft apart to try to fix something. The drive shaft couldn't be put together again, so we called for a ride home. About 2 hours away, and finally made it home. Well, we went back the next day to clean out the van and didn't really have a way of getting it home. And some guy was at the store actually, and Bob just asked him if he wanted the van, and he just took it. So some guy at AutoZone got a free van. So it was an interesting ride home. We made it safe, and it was a heck of a snowstorm on the way home too, by the way. Thank God for Zach, or Mike's sister. She did an awesome job driving in the winter like that with a trailer. It was pretty cool. So thank you to her, and hopefully we'll do it again next year. It should be interesting.